name is Harvey Johal, an Inside Solutions Architect with QlikTech, and today we're going to be talking about how to integrate QlikView Objects inside a Microsoft Office environment, be it Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Our focus today is to integrate objects inside PowerPoint. So there's a couple ways that you can do this. One is to use your server environment, the apps that publish to your QlikTech server environment, and embed those within PowerPoint. Another way is just to use QlikView design tool itself. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to log into a server environment. So there's a local environment that I have installed on my machine. We're going to log into that. This is Access Point, our web portal to your web environment. And then from here, a couple things to use, because you're using Windows Office itself, you need to use a Windows environment to capture that content. So what I'm using here is Internet Explorer, and what I'm also using is by going to our profile, favorites and profile. Under profile, the plugin that I'm using is an Internet Explorer plugin. And again, we need to use this because taking content for Microsoft and embedding that into, or taking that content and embedding into Microsoft environment. So here we're going to launch an application called Ponderosa, and we're going to take order year, quarter, order month, and these chart objects, such as charts and graphs and maps, and as well as this pivot table, and embed that within a PowerPoint document. So to do that, let's launch PowerPoint. So here's PowerPoint. We're going to take out the existing objects that are there. We're just going to copy and paste. So what we're going to do is we're going to select order year, right click, go to copy to clipboard, select object, go to PowerPoint, and we're going to right click, and for our paste option we're going to say keep source formatting. We're going to paste that. We'll just make sure that's the object is sized properly. We'll go back to our browser. Select our container object that has all our charts and different objects in it. Back to PowerPoint. Right click, keep source formatting. And we're just going to drag that down. We're going to resize that a bit just so it fits on our sheet. PowerPoint presentation. And the way to make this interactive is simply just go to our slideshow, and we're going to start from the beginning. So by playing that, we can see that, okay, we want to perform our selections. For our selection, we can select 2010. We can see that that's highlighted in green, denoting our selection. What's in gray is what's disassociated with our selection. Our quarters are here and they're associated, so you can see Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 in our pivot table. So if we select Q2, you can see that now what's associated is what's left in white. April, May, and June is for Q2. Everything else is grayed out, so that's disassociated. And you can see the chart has, or our pivot table has also now just showing us Q2 information. So if I look at country and category and shipper sales, I can see that, okay, here's USA. I can cycle through, I can drill into the USA. I can see baby wear and sportswear. This is all categories of clothing. So if I select that, I can drill into that and see the nth degree. So here's our shipper that has been selling the most amount of baby wear and or moving the most amount of that specific product that we looked at, and we can see that that's how much we have moved. So it's about $1,700 worth of product. And the way to do that within QlikView, using the QlikView tool itself, is just to launch, or maybe create a new sheet, launch QlikView. So we'll just delete these objects, launch QlikView, and you can see here's our same method. Just right click onto an object, copy the object into the clipboard, and we'll publish that. And again, by playing it, we'll be able to view that content.